Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today we're going to be colouring up this beautiful image as a speed colouring. Let's have a look. Hi guys, welcome back to another speed colouring. I'm colouring up an image from Karron's Greyscale Fairies colouring book. This one is called the Butterfly Fairy. I've printed it on some Nina Classic Crest Solar White Smooth paper, £80, and I'm using Copic markers to colour that one in. I'll put all Karron's links in the description below this video. Also, if you would like to see a full tutorial on this one, please pop over to Patreon and have a look over there because I have that available to $5 patrons. So guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, click on the little bell and you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Vero, any of those, and also you can contact me through Facebook as well if you'd like to ask a question or anything like that. Thanks so much for watching guys, enjoy the rest of the video.